أهلا بيكم. هنكمل معاكم النهاردة درس تاني جديد من دروس الماث multiples factors and prime numbers. What are the multiples of a number? Say we have a number 5. What are its multiple and how many multiples does it have? 5 times 1 equal 5. هنا ال 5 is a multiple of 5. 5 times 2 is 10. هنا ال 10 is a multiple of 5. 5 times 3 equal 15. 15 is another multiple of 5 and so on. هنا multiples of 5 يبقى equal 5 10 15 to infinite multiples. يبقى number 5 has infinite multiples. طيب, let us find the multiples of 2. 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 times 3, 2 times 2 equal 4. 2 times 3 equal 6. هنا هنلاحظ and so on. هنا هنلاحظ ان multiples of 2 are even numbers. Multiples of 2 equal 2, 4, 6 and so on. Okay. الفاكتورز is an integer that will divide exactly into another number. طيب, how do we find all factors of 12? We write the number as a product of two positive number, يعني 1 times 12. هنا 12 divisible by 1 يبقى 1 times 12. 12 divisible by 2. 2 times 6 will give us 12. And also 12 divisible by 3. 3 times 4 give us 12. طيب, هنا بنقول ان ال 2 هنا divide into 12 6 times. Exactly 6 times. ال 1 divide into 12 exactly 12 times. Is 3 divide into 12 exactly 4 times. يبقى factors of 12. So factors of 12 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Type 25. 25 we write 25 as a product of two positive number. 25 1 times 25. هنا ال 25 divisible by 5. 5 times 5 يبقى عندي هنا factors of 25 equal 1, 5 and 25 and 25. طيب, a relation between factors and the multiples. We can try writing 24 as all possible product of two numbers. هنا products factors of 24 يكون 1 times 24 2 times 12 24 divisible by 12 24 divisible by 2 2 times 12 and also 3 24 divisible by 3 يبقى 3 times 8 24 divisible by 4 4 times 6 يبقى عندي هنا ال factors of 24 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24 هنا ال factors of 24 ال 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24 24 is a multiple of all its factor يعني 24 multiple لل 1 24 is a multiple of 2 is a multiple of 3 is a multiple of 4 and 6 طيب يبقى 24 is a multiple of all its factors. The prime number have exactly two factors, one and the number itself. هنا ال 11 1 times 11 عندي هنا 11 has two factors, one and the number itself. يبقى ال 11 هنا prime number. 15 has 1 times 15 equal 15 and also 3 times 15 divisible by 3 3 times 5 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 has 4 factors, so it is not prime, it is composite number. A 2 only has 2 factors, 1 and 2. هنا a 2 prime number. A 2 is the only even prime number. ال 1 هنا has 1 factor, so 1 is not prime and it is not composite. It is not prime and it is not composite number. طيب ال prime number under 30 start from 2. 2 has 2 factors, 1 and number itself. 3 5 7 11 13 17 19 23 and 29. Type now the example. An integer n is such that 60 less than n less than 70. Write down a value of n which is a prime number. Value of n as which is a prime number. طيب هنا عندي ال n هتكون equal هتكون equal 64 61 and 61 هنا prime number because it has 2 factors, and 70 and 67. Number B, multiple of 9, and the is 63. 63 هنا 7 times 9. 7 times 9 يعني 63 هنا multiple لل 7 and also multiple لل 9. It is only multiple of 9 between 60 and 70. Example from list above, write down prime number. A prime number. Prime number هنا square root of 4. Square root of 4 equal 2. 2 even prime number. Number B, factor of 27. Factor of 27, the square root of 81. 81 هنا equal 9. 9 is a factor of 27. Is a factor of 27. A multiple of 4. A multiple of 4. Square root of 64 equal 8. هنا 8 is a multiple of 4. كده نكون انتهينا من درس النهاردة، واشوفكم في فيديو جديد. وعاوز افكركم بالاكسرسايز اللي موجود في الديسكريبشن اسفل الفيديو.